Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So yeah, it's been really long since I've made a vlog. So today was the day I felt like, okay, let me just go out, ask my friend, let's just go and hang out because of the lockdown and everything was like closed, and now slowly, the transports and restaurants, malls and everything are like slowly they're like opening everything. So I was like, let's just go outside, hang out, because of this lockdown, I didn't go out for like, I don't know, it's been like really long. So yeah. Yeah, so me and my friend, we thought of let's go and let's eat some good food and go outside. So yeah, we are at this restaurant and we had a really good food. We were so hungry, I couldn't even vlog the food, like I couldn't even show it to you, but I took pictures and I'm gonna upload it. So yeah, you're gonna see what we ate and what was the damage we made. It's really getting cold here. In the morning, like in the afternoon when I left, it was okay. It was like not that cold because it was sunny. But right now it's getting really cold. I should have got my gloves, should have got my, cap or something to cover my ears, but it's okay. Used to this cold. Like what to do now, so yeah, we're just sitting and planning like what to do, where should we go next, because we have night curfew here from 9, so we don't have much time. We don't want to even go home, because once we go home, we're gonna sit in front of the TV and we're gonna start watching something. So yeah, so I was like, let's just eat something and then plan to go somewhere else. Well, it's really cold outside, so I thought, let me just get inside. So yeah, this is the restaurant where we came and we had, well, it was a lunch date, but it ended up dinner. And this is my friend here. You guys have already met Nirya.
Hi.
She's busy talking to a friend.
Why are you never vlogging?
So guys, we're just outside chilling, waiting, and
Hi.
thinking what to do, where to go. So Nirya, did you like the food?
It was great.
How much would you rate your steak and the cocktail?
Steak 7 because it could have been. It was just little portion. Could have been more. But cocktail 8. It was actually too much. I couldn't finish it. Like I had to fight to finish it.
Yeah. Well, she had steak, I had pasta, I had chicken pasta. I think I would give like 7 out of 10. It was okay. I could just taste like cheese. That's it. Nothing more than that. Pasta was good, yeah. And the cocktail, mine and hers both were like different. Mine was pineapple and then hers was peach, but it just tasted the same. So I don't know about that cocktail. It was like 6 for me. It was like, okay, this restaurant was okay, cool. The only thing was the I couldn't say like the ambience, but the restaurant was, it was a good restaurant. I mean, Interior wise. Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. But for the food, it's good.
The food was okay for me, pasta. I didn't try the steak, so I don't know. So yeah, I don't know where we're going, but we're just walking. You guys have seen this street already in my vlog where I posted a video of these streets. So yeah, this is where I am. We just have like few hours, like we just have like 1 hour to go and then the curfew is gonna start. So I don't know. We're just walking so that we can digest the food. You know, me and Nirya, we were just talking about the weather. Oh God!
Oh my Jesus.
Did he just...
Yeah. Did. Oh.
Okay. Don't.
Wait.
I think that guy was probably drunk. He just fell down really bad. I hope he's alright. Oh God.
Yeah, I think he's drunk. Look at him.
Yeah, he's drunk. In the middle of like, there's no bar, there's no club, there's nothing, and he's like drunk. Well, welcome to Georgia. Oh God. Yeah. So yeah, as I was saying, we were talking about the weather. Oh my God. The weather in Georgia fluctuates like anything. Like 2 weeks back, we were just talking about it. Like it was like 18 or 19 degrees. And it was 19 degrees. And then it just literally dropped to -1, -2. And it started snowing, it started pouring. We didn't expect that. It's spring. So guys, Nirya is leaving.
My bus is so full.
Are you going?
What the hell?
The bus is literally like so full. So I don't think so we're going. It's too full. Okay. We have to wait for another bus. Oh my God.
It's so cold.
No guys, literally it's like really cold. Like really cold.
I'll take 50. It's coming right now.
You taking 50?
Then I'll get another one of these.
Yeah, you have to change from there then press
Yeah.
home. Okay then.